You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know this is usually a French name, and I'll give you the French pronunciation and see if you can pronounce it that way. Pronounced as Sylvain. Now, this sound is quite unique to French, I think. I mean, it probably exists in other languages, but it doesn't exist in English. Sylvain. Sylvain. So in English you can say Sylvain. Sylvain. Can you say vin? Sylvain? You got it. Now, very commonly it's pronounced Sylvain. All right. Now, yeah, English speaking people, Americans, British, say Sylvain. It's a bit better. Sylvain. Sylvain. Can you say it? Let me know in the comments. Or do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.